Welcome to our guide for creating the perfectly imperfect look with Baked Tile's Bejmat and Zellige style tiles. Traditional Moroccan tiles are renowned for their handcrafted charm and irregularities, and we're going to show you how you can replicate that look. And with our beautiful tiles, it's easy. First, when using our Zellige effect tiles, you can't install them in a traditional way. The look we want embraces imperfections, so avoid spacer pegs to allow for a slightly uneven finish. That way it captures the essence of traditional Zellige installations. When placing each tile, give them a tight butt joint. And don't worry if one sits either slightly proud or slightly recessed to the next. So don't be concerned about keeping that surface flat. It isn't the look we want, and of course it's great if you're a DIYer. It's not just our square Zellige effect tiles like these that can be used to this effect, of course. Our Bejmat 5x15 Marrakesh collection or the little bricks cotto that's shown here are absolutely perfect. Once the tiles are in place, grouting is essential. Now, due to their small joints, use a rubber squeegee to ensure the grout fills the spaces completely. And also this enhances that textural look. But remember, leave some room for expansion with wider joints on internal corners and where the tiles meet the wall or the floor. Whilst this beautiful organic look is stunning, this style of tiling is perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Celebrating imperfections where lipping, that slight height difference from one tile to another, is cherished for its authenticity. Whether it's Bejmat or Zellige, this method ensures your space exudes the timeless charm of Moroccan craftsmanship, embraces imperfections, celebrates uniqueness, and helps you create your own perfectly imperfect masterpiece. For more tips and inspiration, why not visit our website, bakedtiles.co.uk, or follow us on social media. Happy designing!